Okay, take 3. This video is for the benefit of those persons who have purchased a Bath Buddy, and it's a tutorial to show you the do's and don'ts and ins and outs and how to change the battery and all the fun that you can expect to have and the water you can expect to save with the Bath Buddy. So this thing is a two-parter. The brains, which do not get wet, no, and the dongle, which does get wet. The dongle plugs into the back of the brains with something that looks very similar to a power jack for a guitar pedal or something. If yours Bath Buddy doesn't have a little label that says out to tub on it, you should put one there so that someday somebody doesn't try to plug 12 volts into this, because it will probably ruin it if they do. So this is just going to the dongle. There's no voltage there at all. So, ready for the bath. You want to turn this on. All right, why did that happen? The dongle is dry and I turned it on, but there's buzzing and lights flashing. What happened? Well, what happened is that when the bath fills up, inside of the dongle there's a styrofoam bobber with a rare earth magnet affixed to the top of it, and it floats up and triggers that magnetic reed switch and activates the buzzer and the lights. And sometimes when the bath drains, the magnet will have stuck to it. So in between baths, it's a good idea, or if you turn it on and it's buzzing but it's dry, give it a little shake and it releases the magnet from the reed switch. So pretend this is the bathtub and we're filling it. This is a sort of reverse situation, but as your tub fills up, it'll activate it there and then turn it off. And then this thing can stay in the tub forever. You don't need to remove it in between baths or whatever. And this wire is meant to, you can mess with the height or how low or deep it goes down into the vessel for when you want it to activate. And some of these dongles will activate it when the water gets up to there, some up to there, but that's what this is for, is to kind of adjust the height. Keep this part dry though, this end part. Last thing is to change the batteries. It's a 9-volt battery inside of here. There's 4 screws that you remove gently. And the battery's clipped on there. We've all changed a 9-volt battery. And when you put the screws back in, be really careful, because this is acrylic, and if you over tighten it, it could crack the acrylic, and nobody wants to devalue your investment. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, the Bath Buddy.